Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting data. Create and verify a full backup image, then shut down. Once done, connect the SSD to a primary SATA or NVMe slot and attach power. Make sure BIOS or UEFI is set to ASI, not RAID, to avoid driver conflicts. If you have firmware updates for the SSD, note them now but don't run updates until after cloning. These initial moves prevent common detection and performance problems later. Now perform the actual transfer. Launch a block-aware cloning tool that handles SSDs and UEFI/GPT systems. Select the source and the SSD as the target, choose sector by sector or intelligent copy depending on used space, and ensure partitions are aligned to 1 MB for optimal performance. Resize the system partition if the SSD is smaller. Copy the EFI/boot partitions and reinstall. Finish by setting the SSD as the primary boot device in UEFI and booting into the OS to enable trim and confirm drivers. Run the vendor firmware update and a smart health check, then perform a simple performance test to ensure expected speeds. If the system won't boot or the SSD isn't detected, try the troubleshooting tip. Swap SATA or power cables, move to a different motherboard port, and verify BIOS is in ASI or correct mode. Then run boot repair tools if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.